In today's section, we will study about for loop, enhanced for loop, break and continue statements. Why we use for loop means for repeatedly executing a block of code in specific number of times. Like we want to execute certain block of code within the range. So on that time we will use for loop. Syntax for loop is for bracket. Inside the bracket we have three sections: initialization section, condition check, increment and decrement section. In initialization section we have int x is equals to 15. Like here we are initializing the value for x, and x data type is written here, that is int or float. Next section is condition check. We will check the condition, that is x is less than or equal to 30. If this condition is true, then we will go inside the for loop. If this condition is false, then we will come out from the for loop. And third section, that is increment or decrement section. X is equals to x plus 1, that is increment, x minus 1 decrement, or you can write x plus plus or x minus minus. We will run this code. Okay, now we will take x is equals to 15. 15 is less than or equal to 30, right? That condition is true. So we will come inside the for loop and it will print this statement. X value is, what is x value? Now it is 15. So x value is 15. Next it will go back to the for loop again. Now x value is incremented, that is x is 16 and 16 is less than or equal to 13. That condition is also true, and it will go inside the for loop, and x value is 16. Now it will execute that statements. And next, let me take x value is 30 now. X is 30. X is 30. And 30 is less than or equal to 30. Yes, this condition is true. When we run this, x value is 30. Yeah, this condition is true. Hence system.out println x value is 30. But after that, it will go back to the for loop. Now x value is incremented, that is 31. But 31 is not less than the 30. Hence this condition is false. Then it will come out from the for loop. So this is about for loop. The next thing, that is enhanced for loop. Enhanced for loop is same like for loop, but for loop is used to iterate through elements of arrays and collections. Collection is like a array list. In enhanced for loop, we want to give an array. That is, here I gave num is equals to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, anything, array list. We want to write array list. And syntax of enhanced for loop is for, that is keyword for loop. Next is data type. Data type for the variable. Here variable is x. For that variable we gave data type int. Next colon, and next is array or collection. Like num, here we wrote array, that is num, so I wrote num only. And when we run this code, we got x value is 5, 6, 7. So what is the difference between for loop and enhanced? Means in for loop we will write the range, but in enhanced for loop, first we will write the array list, and then we will execute that array list. Inside that array list, according to the condition or specified times, we will repeat that list, array list. And continue. In break, why we use break means we will get some condition where we want to stop loop. Like here we have for loop, like we want to stop this for loop, then we will use break statements. When we want to come out from that for loop, we will use break statements. Sorry, here I wrote continue. Yeah, let's run this program. Okay, here I used enhanced for loop, that is list array. Sorry, array is numbers, that is equals to 5, 7, 10, 9, 8. Inside the for loop, we have data type variable, and next thing is arrays. If x is equals to 10. Here the number first x value is 5. So this condition, if condition will face, then it won't go inside that if. We will come out from that if statements and we will go back to for loop. Sorry, we will come back to print statement, because print statement is inside the for loop, not, yes, it is inside the for loop. Hence we will come back to the for loop. System.out println, now x value is 5, and here we got 5. In output we got 5. Then next it will go back to the for loop. Now the x value is 7. According to the array, now x value is 7 now. If x is equal to 10, no, x value is 7, then it won't go to if. It will come back to the print statement. Now we will print the 7, that is value of x. Next it will go back to the for loop. Now the x value is 10. So if 10 equal to 10, right? So this condition is true. We will go inside that if. Now break, we have break statement. So because of that break, we will come out from the for loop also. Not only if loop, not only from if, we will come out from the for loop. So we won't get any statements now, even printf statements. The output is 5 and 7. 9 and 10 are not executed. It won't go back to the iteration. But when we use continue, like if we use continue, let's run this code. We got 5, 7, 9, 8. Then how it works means, for the x value is 5, it will check the condition in if x is not equal to, 5 is not equal to 10. So it won't go inside the if loop. If, then we will get the print 5, 7 also, that's how it comes. And next, that is 10. 10, if 10 equal to 10, the condition is true. Continue. When we use continue, it will only come from the if loop. Like, instead of terminating the loop, execute the next iteration of the loop. It's like we only come out from the if, not from the for loop. It will go back to the for loop again, and it will check the condition, that is for x, that is 9 and 8. It will check this condition. If this condition is true for if condition, then it will continue. Or if it is not true, then it won't go inside that if loop. We will execute the output. Like 5 is true, 7 is true, and 5 is false according to the if, that is 5 equal to 10. No, it's the condition is false, so it won't go to the continue. 7 is also same. 10, yes, 10 is equal to 10. So here we have continue. Then it will come out of that if, and it will go back to the for. Hence we didn't get the 10 as output. So this is how the continue and break runs.